Hi, this is Jim Whitaker at SmartsPro Websites, and I'm going to show you here how to add photos or images to your posts or pages. We're looking at a post here, but it would work the same as on a page. So the first thing you want to do is place your cursor where you want the photo to go, and then click Add Media. Now you have photos in your library already, so if you want to choose one of these, go ahead, but most likely you're going to have a photo that you want to upload from your computer. So you click Upload Files, click Select Files. This will take you over to your computer, and I'm going to choose image called Healthcare Reform and open that, and that'll bring in the image to my website. And there it is. Now, the title of the image shows here as Healthcare Reform, and that's fine. I can add a caption if I want. Maybe my article is about how healthcare reform can be difficult to understand, so I'm going to give it a title like Healthcare Reform Can Be Puzzling. Maybe that's the title of my blog post. And then it's always important to have alternate text, because in a text browser people can't see the image, so you need to have a title there in text. So you can just repeat healthcare reform, or you can put anything else in there. This is also important for SEO reasons. And finally, you can also include a description of the image if you like. Now in the alignment area, you probably don't want to choose none, because what's going to do, it'll probably place the photo on top on the left, and it'll be on top of the text. If you want it to align with the text, choose either left, center, or right. And I'm going to choose right. And on the Link To button, what you want to choose usually is none. If you choose attachment page, that means it'll be hot linked, so that you click on it and it'll open itself up in a new page. Custom URL is when you want to use that image as a way to link a person to another page on your website or to a place on somewhere else on the internet. And if you click that button, you can see here http:// tag opens up, and then you can write the URL in here, and that then makes it a hyperlink. But we don't want any of that. We just want the image to sit there. Finally, you have some choices as to size. You can go with the original full size, you can go with the thumbnail, or you can go with the medium size. So I'm going to choose medium here, and then you click Insert into Post, and it'll show up here with the caption right next to my text. I've Greeked this in because I didn't really want to write an article about this. So now I click, well, I'm in text mode, but if I go to visual mode, I can actually see what's going on here, and there it is. So as long as we're here in the visual mode, let me show you a couple of other things that you can do with the new version of WordPress that your websites have now been upgraded to, just as of a couple weeks ago. If you click on the image, it'll highlight, and you can now actually adjust that image to be any size you want it to be, either smaller or larger. And the caption moves along with it. And the other neat thing is, once you've inserted the image, you can actually go back and edit it again. So if you want to change the caption, you can do so. You can add an alternative text if you forgot to the first time. And you can also manually change the width and height. If you want to make it 300 by 600 or something like that, you can just type those numbers in. And then if you decide later you want to make a custom URL, you can do that as well. And you can swap out the image as well by clicking on Replace. It'll send you back out to the point where you can upload a new image or use one of the images that's already in your media library. So just a lot of options here now with the latest version of WordPress that you have. So we're not going to make any changes right now. We'll leave that as it is, and I'm going to update the site at this point, and now when I click View Post, we'll see what it looks like on the actual page. and there it is. Alright, I hope that's helpful. This is Jim Whitaker. So long for now. Bye-bye.